just do it on a per article basis, no? So we will start with threats and then unexplained wealth, confidential funds misuse, and then bribery. No? So yun po naman yung general sketch of how the presentation of evidence will be. And on whichever ground, we have high confidence naman po that talaga makukumbinsi po natin yung po mga senator judges to convict the Vice President.
Bakit po threats yung muna natin sa presentation?
Wala naman. I think yun po yung pinaka-simple yung pong mga ebidensya. No? Kasi like what we had previously stated, the evidence will speak for itself.
Sir, hindi ba yan depending on the lakas ng ebidensya? Yung order of presentation?
Totoo, lakas ng ebidensya at simpleng pagpapatunay. Kasi if the video evidence will speak for itself, and then you will have basically proven the threat against the president.
Sir, kaya ba ganun yung order? Kasi na-foresee ninyo na, ano ba yan? Present and then rule or present all and then...
I think the rule is present all and then make a decision by the senator judges.
Kung Lawrence Defensor yesterday said, yun po is yes, para makakuha ka ng conviction, yun pa lang sa threat, ano, gano'n po kayo kalakas din yung confidence na dito pa lang can already get a conviction?
On each and every ground naman po, we have high certainty that we can get a conviction. At the very least, 16 votes. No? I think minabanggit lang ho niya yun only to explain na talaga hong lahat po ng grounds na pinasa po sa Senate Impeachment Court, mabigat po yun at enough to convict the Vice President.